Hello everyone, this day is dedicated to all the amazing hackathon participants joining us from around the globe. Welcome to the SuperHack Hackathon 2025 award ceremony. This is our first ever global hackathon ceremony and we're thrilled to celebrate it with you today. My name is Lakshmi, Product Marketing Specialist at SuperOps. Right now, you're in the lobby, so before we dive in, let me give you a quick tour of Goldcast, our virtual event platform. Let's get some quick housekeeping out of the way so you can make the most of Goldcast today. Up top is your main stage where all the awards and sessions happen. The agenda is right there too, and it's set to your local time zone so you won't miss a thing. Want to network or join live Q&As? Jump into the breakout rooms or use the chat. And don't forget to check out the partner booths, AWS and more. That's it for housekeeping. Explore, connect, and enjoy the event. Now some exciting stats. We had 10,430 RSVPs from professionals worldwide. From these, we received 476 idea submissions from startup founders, freelancers, and other talented professionals. Our judges shortlisted 350 entries and 187 prototypes were submitted. Time to head into the theater. Grab your favorite drink and snack and get comfortable. Say hello in the chat and let everyone know where you're tuning in from. Congratulations to all our finalists and best of luck. As we get ready for the award ceremony, we begin with a special welcome from our founders.
Hello everyone and welcome to the SuperOps and AWS Hackathon Finals. Huge congratulations on making it here. Over the past few weeks, you have been building AI agents that will power the SuperOps marketplace, solving real problems for the MSP and IT teams, and shaping the future of IT landscape. I'm incredibly proud of the creativity and bold thinking this community has shown. You have explored, experimented, pushed boundaries, and helped make this hackathon a huge success. Today is about celebrating that hard work. We can't wait to see your demos, your ideas, and how your agents will contribute to the SuperOps marketplace and the next generation of IT operations. Thank you for being here and being part of this journey. Let's make this finale unforgettable. Welcome to the SuperOps and AWS Hackathon Finals. Let's get started.
Hello SuperHack winners. On behalf of the entire SuperOps team, thank you for joining us at the SuperHack Grand Finale. Today is truly a celebration of your talent, your hard work, and incredible spirit you brought into this hackathon. The energy, the teamwork, the dedication you showed were nothing short of inspiring. Many of the demos we saw weren't just creative. They address real MSP and IT challenges with practical and thoughtful solutions. We are incredibly proud to have innovators like you in our community. You have shown what's possible when passion meets purpose. Congratulations to each and every winner. Keep inventing, keep pushing limits, and most importantly, keep inspiring. Thank you.
Next, we'll hear from our valued partner, AWS.
Hey growth hackers, good afternoon. My name is Yogesh. I'm part of startups in AWS. It's an honor to be here in the SuperHacks, the hackathon with SuperOps. We've been a long-term partner with SuperOps building this amazing product, which is helping improving efficiency of MSPs and making sure that the innovation continues. And we always have seen the way the partnership has worked, the way SuperOps is always working backwards from the customer needs and building the story together. It's a pleasure to be a partner with SuperOps, what they're building, Arvind and Jay, on their long-term vision of building a community which will thrive together and also accelerate innovation. Super proud to be here. All the best for your next venture. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Muthu. I'm a solutions architect for startups at AWS. It was great working with the SuperOps team for the SuperHack 2025. It was a fantastic event. It was great to see a lot of good participation in the webinars. I hope all the participants learned a lot. Congratulations to all the winners. Keep building. Happy building.
Hi everyone, I'm here at the AWS reInvent Vegas 2025 and I have a special guest with me, Sriram, who heads the India startups from AWS team. Welcome Sriram.
Thanks for having me.
Awesome. So today we are going to announce our SuperHack winners of the hackathon, which we have been running for almost 3 months now. with close to around hundreds of participants and 10,000 plus submissions. So before we do that, we thought we were going to do a keynote and have some brilliant questions about how this AI is revolutionizing the space. And Sriram is here to do the keynote with us. Are you ready, Sriram? Awesome. I have a very interesting question. Right, I think there are almost 80,000 people here, all skilled workers from around the globe. Like, what new skill or habits will people need as agentic system become part of everyday work?
That's a great question to start with. Right? I'm saying the first skill, what I believe is agent orchestration cuts. That's going to be the most critical skill what startup companies and enterprises are looking for. Then the critical validations, right? Because it is not going to be completely agent driven. There has to be a human in the loop to validate it, to check the hallucinations and so on and so forth. The third is the prompt engineering. It's the most essential skill. Specifically from an India perspective, there are a lot of context setting which we need to have as part of the prompt engineering. So these are the three top skills which comes top of my mind.
I like the part where you said we need a validation. We are not completely autonomous yet. Like, we need that kind of validation, and there is some kind of skill to validate and be like a guard for the AI.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. Yeah. Right. Like, you're seeing, like, I think close to 200 companies have participated from India here for this event now.
Yeah, we have 200 plus startups who are there. And just startups, but not overall companies. We have ISVs, DMBs, enterprises, public sectors who are representing India here. They're super proud of it. All this.
Nice. So, what will set apart the companies that scale fastest in this new era?
Yeah. So the first is the speed of agent deployment, right? What used to be otherwise in the SaaS environment used to be like a quota, it's happening in weeks, right? It's just according to me the most important aspect. The second is the proprietary data, right? Which is going to be the significant essential thing in terms of training these agents. Then the third is the infrastructure, because see, at the end of the day, all of this is important. That is the infrastructure ready to scale, and at what cost are we able to deploy?
Yeah.
Because every single cent what you're saying is extremely important for the end customer. So all three aspects I feel are most essential.
Brilliant. So, what's that one thing you are still think that people are underestimating about agentic AI?
Yeah. So the thing is about I know a lot of our work which we are trying to lead today, which are by human, going to be done by the agents, which are already we are seeing that in action. But it is about how trivial it is for them to the infrastructure scaling along with it, and the repeatability, the reliability, the resiliency which comes along with it, right? Because it's going to run 24/7 without any hallucination. What are the guardrails around it? Are the most critical elements. And we at AWS, because we have done this for decades together, and then we believe we are well poised to support startups who are building these agents for the large enterprises worldwide to deploy some of these tasks.
Actually, we are really proud to have been partnered with you in this AWS hackathon, and like, there's so many opportunities for the people who came up and learn the new era of agentic AI and things which is happening so fast. So, one last question to you is: if we meet again at the reInvent 3 years from now, what do you think will feel normal that seems very surprising today?
A lot of these horizontal things, right? Within an enterprise, whether it is HR related or procurement related, are going to be dealt with agents much more efficiently. Obviously, there will be human in the loop, not thoroughly autonomous. 98% will be done by agents is what is actually. But more importantly, in terms of when you're moving from here to 3 years down the line, now the questions are like, why are these so still manual? Are going to be the conversations what we're going to have, because I feel agents will be by default. Many of these horizontal and vertical works will be done by agents efficiently with all the guardrails around, with the human in the loop. For that 2% edge cases, that's exactly what I foresee.
Nice. So, we are here in Vegas, and we are going to announce the winners soon. Thank you so much, Sriram, for being here and hosting us at the lovely event at AWS reInvent. And stay tuned to know who are the winners. Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. The SuperHack 2025 Grand Finale is finally here. I'm Lakshmi Madhusudan from the marketing team here at SuperOps. Welcome to all the participants and congratulations to all the nominees who've made it this far. Let's unveil our first set of awards for the Growth and Financial Impact theme. This theme shines a spotlight on the financial side of IT, bringing clarity, visibility, and control. It's about empowering teams to see where every dollar goes, optimizing budgets with confidence, and building sustainable growth. Now let's recognize the visionaries transforming IT financial management. I'd like to now hand it over to my colleague Sriram, who will announce the winners for this theme. Over to you, Sriram.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. I'll take it from here. So yes, we are finally here in the SuperHack Awards, and let's get started with the winners of the first theme. So first of all, congratulations to everybody who's been part of the SuperHack. We have 4 awards that we are presenting in this category, and let's get started. We had so many great ideas that came out of this hackathon. We weren't just able to pick just one winner. So we're going to present awards in 4 different categories. And the first category is going to be Best Ideas Award for the creative teams. So these are really great ideas that our jury absolutely loved, but didn't make it to the winners or the runners stage. In this. But nevertheless, these are really incredible ideas that's going to definitely transform how IT operations are going to evolve in the near future. So the first award, which is the Best Idea Award, goes to, like whenever I'm going to announce the winner, winning team who's joined our session today, you will have an option to raise hands. So we would love to hear from you on your thoughts as to how you went about, envisioning this whole thing and what you feel. So you can just raise hands so that we can put you on camera and listen to you from it. And I'm going to cut right into the awards. The Best Idea Awards for the creative team to 404 Found. The winning team here is 404 Found. Congrats to the entire team for nailing this. So 404 Found, that's a really interesting name. So if you guys are there, just raise hands so that we can, put you on stage and hear from you. Just as they're joining, let's just see what they did. 404 Found team really created a solution that aims to provide real-time dashboards with insights to detect churn risk, upsell opportunities, and cost anomalies. This is something that, like I said, it's really crucial for this team, right? So if you are not looking into the right data, you're not going to find the right solution. So that's an incredible effort right there. So yeah, I'm going to go off camera right now, and I would love for the winning teams to share a few thoughts on how do you feel about winning this, and what are your few thoughts that you would like to share at this point in time. You can unmute yourselves and go for it.
Yeah, hi Sriram, hi everyone. Good morning. Thank you so much for the announcement and the idea you have liked. So whatever it's about. So based on the problem statement, we have built one agent which will be beneficial for both MSP and IT team, and we have created dashboard, and based on the data, it will give you the AI recommendation for both MSP and IT team, so that they will not feel like they have to search Google and search everything, because we have integrated AI into that. So if they have any questions, we have AI chatbot also enabled, so that will provide the correct answer from the previous history of data, and we can calculate the churn risk factor, and then health factor of the software. So that's what we have created, and this experience has been proven us to push our limits to the extent, and I am happy that our idea is now it is in the form of prototype, and before that, I would like to thank all my team members who are present and who have supported me during the whole journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. We would love to hear more from you. So congratulations, first of all, on winning this award. So it's an incredible effort, and the problem statement that you mentioned absolutely makes sense, and it's going to transform a lot of operations for IT folks and MSPs alike. So we would love to hear more from you. So once you're done, we would love for you to join the testimony room. So on the top, you would find the rooms where you can talk to our team, like you can introduce the rest of your teams as well, so that we would love to hear from you about your thought process on how you went about winning this award, or like what's your thought process behind building this. So thank you so much for the team. For the team effort that you have put this together for this particular agent that you have built. So yes, congratulations once again. Yeah. We can quickly move on to the next award. So like I said, we have 4 different award categories that we are presenting. The first one, of course, was the Best Ideas Award. It was a great idea that couldn't make it to it. Similarly, we have another award, which is Special Jury Mention. This is a team that got really close to being a runner or a winner of this particular category, but missed it out by a few points. So that's the special jury mention, because we didn't want their efforts to go in vain. We still want to recognize them by honoring them by giving the special jury mention award. And this has been specifically selected by our esteemed jury for unique approach and breakthrough that deserves a special award. Applause here. So the winner of the special jury mention for this is Kairos. Do we have the Kairos team? We would love to hear from you. So congratulations, Team Kairos, on winning the special jury mention for the Team 1. So if your team members are present, we would love to have you on stage. And hey, yeah, here we have them.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Team Kairos. Yeah, I know that's your team name. I would love for you to introduce yourselves and talk about your process of building this agent, and what are your thoughts on winning this contest as such, like a special jury mention here.
Yeah, hello everyone, and yeah, we are Team Kairos, and myself Aditya.
Myself Sarashwati Sharmani.
And we built a multi-agent system. Like it was a culmination of 6 agents working together, and we built a dashboard like thing all. It was a great process in participating in SuperOps. Like we learned a lot. We entered this hackathon with a mindset of learn and build. We learned a lot of things on the journey, made some mistakes and rectified it, then also rebuilt it. Like it was a very good and a great opportunity. And yes, Sir,
it was a nice, and thanks to the SuperOps team and the all members who can help us in the process. That's from our side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing. It was great to hear from you. You didn't get a name right, but you got the agent right. So amazing work on the agent. So just to give you a bit context into what Kairos has built, they've built a platform with 6 collaborative AI agents that analyze business data into real time to optimize client profitability, sales processes, resource allocation, among other things. So we went from a dashboard to having 6 agents collaborate with each other to deliver this value. So that's a great word from Kairos. So thank you so much. You can have the testimony room, and we can move on to the next one.
Okay.
Yeah. We're getting really close to the runner and the winner of this section. So we're done with the special mention. So this is the runner-up category we have. So they came so close, like the jury mention award missed out by a few points, whereas the runners and the winners, they went neck to neck on this particular theme in terms of the problem statements that they were solving for. So here we go with the runner-up for this particular theme, recognizing outstanding performance and impactful solutions that came remarkably close to the top spot, but just missed out on the top prize for this category. And this award, Team Lossless. Team Lossless has created an agent that addresses issues like delayed detection, poor collaboration, privacy concerns, and their agent builds a collective intelligence network like a ways for MSPs using the federated learning and privacy. So this is some of the important areas where we need to solve for with respect to MSPs and IT teams on their operations. So as soon as you picked up this, I think this is a really great problem to solve for both MSPs and IT teams per se. So yes, we have Team Lossless. Let's hear it from Team Lossless. What are your thoughts on winning this, and how did you go about building this agent?
So, hi sir, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. So, hi everyone. So, participating in SuperHack 2025, it was an incredibly transformative experience for me and my teammate as we built the MSP Intelligent Mesh Network. So basically, it was a platform designed to fundamentally change how MSPs operate using federated learning and powerful network effects. So through our research, we began by examining the real challenges MSPs face. So we found quite of them like siloed intelligence, reactive threat handling, and unreliable revenue insights. And the most important, the long-standing trust barrier that makes data sharing impossible. So understanding these pain points and help us appreciate the scale of industry's inefficiencies. So our biggest breakthrough was realizing that federated learning could finally allow MSPs to collaborate without sacrificing privacy. So by keeping all raw data on premises and sharing only anonymized model updates, we created basically a structure where MSPs maintain full confidentiality while still benefiting from collective intelligence. This design became the backbone of our solution. So we even made a dashboard with 10 working AI agents, which were collaborating in real time. So it was a fully functional multi-page UI. So each section delivered real-time insights on revenue, client health, churn rate, threat intelligence, collaboration opportunities, and many more. And so also the dashboard tied the entire experience together by making complex federated learning outputs intuitive and actionable for MSPs. And along with that, it felt very rewarding to see our AI backend logic and the privacy preserving mechanism, which coming live to the visually. And we could feel that if this gets implemented in real time, it could make a difference. Also, we implemented a scalable AWS serverless architecture. We deployed on AWS, and we simulated the real-time data and also did real-time AI inferences with many models. And we achieved a great accuracy of 92 to 94% on critical predictions. So yeah, I'm really thankful to SuperOps for giving us this opportunity, because this hackathon pushed us to think bigger, solve some real world problems, and building a network driven ecosystem. Yeah, thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your contribution. Because if you've been in this competition, you know how much of a great value it is for MSPs and IT teams, which is the whole data privacy and concerns. Because MSPs are the ones who take care of this data for their clients. So solving this very specific aspect or the security aspect for MSPs is really crucial for them, because that's their bread and butter. So kudos on selecting such a great pain to solve for, first of all, and also cracking it and being the runner-up for this category. So thank you so much. And you made it so close to the top. So just pat on your back for coming all the way to being the runner-up. So yes, you can now head to the testimony room so that we can hear more about how you went about building this product or agent, and what's your thought process like. So yes, we'll then move on to the next set of awards. So we have come to the end of the theme one, and like I said in the beginning, we have 4 different award categories. This best ideas, honoring some of the really great ideas that came out of this hackathon, but wasn't an actual agent that made the difference to end up being a runner-up or a winner. So we saw special jury mention, and we also had the runner-ups. Now it's time for the winners of this particular theme. So this is an award for excellence. This is our highest honor in the particular theme, awarded to the winning team of this theme, whose innovation and execution set a new standard for operational excellence. So now the winner of the first theme, the winner of this particular theme is Super MSP. So I would love for Super MSP's team to come on stage and share their thoughts. So as they are joining us, I would just like to give a few insights about what they did. Super MSP has created an agent that unifies analytics, forecasting, ticket management, and automation into one platform, helping MSPs replace fragmented tools and manual workflows with AI. This is one of the biggest pain point that MSPs have, right? They have 10 different tools that's solving 10 different problems for them, but they spend most of their time consolidating all of this in one single platform, which is essentially something that SuperOps does. So they have created an agent that unifies all of these insights into making the process better for MSPs. So let's have the Super MSP team. If you're there, if you've joined us today, oh yeah, there we have them. Hello there. Like, congrats on winning the top prize in this particular theme. I'm sure that you're stoked to talk about the whole process, introduce yourselves, and let's hear it from you without further ado.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sriram. Hi everyone, we are Team Super MSP. The journey has been very amazing. It's been a very long time actually. So if you look, it's been a couple of months, like 3 months since this hackathon began, and we have learned so much. We explored so much. We we tried pretty much everything. We researched. We found the pain points. We did absolutely everything. We thought in every direction what all we could do. So what our vision was, we wanted to create a one-stop solution for the MSPs. We want that the employee of the MSP, he just go to this platform and you have everything. So that was our vision. Yeah, we had a great learning experience, and thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm very grateful for this.
Amazing. Thank you so much for building this agent, because like I said earlier, right, this really makes it different for MSPs. It must have been very difficult for you to put yourselves in an MSP shoes and understand what their problems are, and then building this. So hats off for your efforts in terms of building this agent and making this a reality for us. So I hope
Thank
you
you.
enjoy the rest of the day as well. So you can head directly to the testimony room to talk more about your process in terms of getting this agent up and running for this hackathon. So congratulations once again, and we're super glad that you decided to build this agent for us in the Super Hack.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much. Thank you.
we had some really amazing agents that were built in Team 1. Wonderful ideas. We had so many people pitching ideas on so many different pain points for MSPs and IT teams. So congratulations to all the winners of Team 1. And we have a lot more teams coming up and a lot more awards to give away. First of all, I would like to again thank every participant of SuperHack for joining us and helping us build this really strong ecosystem for MSPs and IT teams through the agent marketplace. So without further ado, let's get to the second theme of the day. The second theme of the day is open innovation. So in this particular category, we're not getting the audience to a certain theme or a category per se, but it's open to interpretation. Any pain point that you would like to solve for an IT operations or an MSP operations, you have all the freedom to go about it. So you can unleash your creativity beyond the usual boundaries. The world of MSPs and IT is more than the systems of service desk and employee training and profitability and so on. There's much more problems that needs solving on all these areas, whereas with respect to MSPs or with respect to IT teams. So this theme is totally about the freedom to reimagine any corner of the IT and MSP ecosystem, whether you're strengthening client connections or revolutionizing team communication, or you're improving the service delivery to the employees from an IT team standpoint. Anything and everything under the sun for an MSP or an IT is the category that we are going to be presenting awards for. So we've had interesting agents that were built for this particular theme, and we have a lot more awards to give away. So to give awards for this particular category, I'm going to call upon my colleague Lakshmi. So she's going to give you all the announcement of the winners in each of these categories that we had put out earlier. So bring on Lakshmi to announce the winners for this particular category. Hi, Lakshmi, you're on. So I think everybody is eager to know who the winners are for this particular theme. So you can take it from here.
Thank you, Sriram. Hi, guys. I'm sure the nominees in this theme are waiting excitedly for the awards. So without much ado, let's announce the Theme 2 winners in Open Innovation. So we are presenting, for this theme, we are presenting awards for 3 categories, starting off with the special jury mention. As Sriram had announced in the previous theme, this particular category is selected by our esteemed jury. This award appreciates a unique approach or breakthrough that deserves special applause. And the winner for this category is Team Paradox. Team Paradox, we'd love to have you on stage. Please click on the hand raise icon at the bottom of your screen. So while we wait for Team Paradox to come on stage, let me give you a quick gist of what their solution was. Paradox automates ticket analysis, classification, and routing using AI-driven workflows, and the agent's self-healing scripts handle recurring issues autonomously to minimize downtime. Congratulations, Team Paradox. I'd love to know.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I'd love to have an idea about how you formulated this, and so would you like to share a few words?
First of all, thank you so much, and thank you for SuperOps for giving the opportunity of us. First of all, myself, Prakhyat, and I'm introducing Team Paradox. Our project focuses on transforming how managed service providers handle daily IT operations by combining automation, machine learning, and AWS Cloud Intelligence. Basically, the system specifies an acceleration workflows like ticketing, ticket monitoring, security analysis, and compliance reporting. So basically, the third, it is the third hand, or you can say first priority hand to the company, which can easily transform their work to manual work from machine work. So yeah, this is an automatic ticket system. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Team Paradox. If you guys could join the virtual room for the testimonials, our team is waiting there to learn more about how you guys came up with this. So thank you and congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, ma'am.
Folks, moving on to the next category, we are announcing the runner-up for this theme. Now, this particular category, it celebrates exceptional talent and impactful projects that came impressively close to taking the top honors. The runner-up for this theme goes to Team Thala. Congratulations, Team Thala. We'd love to have you on stage. And while Team Thala joins us, their ITSM plugin captures, organizes, and surfaces overall knowledge from siloed sources using AI-driven search and automations. Congratulations, guys. Would you like to share a few words?
Hi, guys. So we are Team Thala. So basically, we have developed a particular system of agents in which we basically going to, so we develop like a system in which it by native integrates with developer ecosystem platforms like Slack and Jira. So developers can focus on discussions rather than just like manual platform change or something like that. So they made this platform specifically to make sure that developers stay within one platform and all their ticket managing issues and like all their like issues and rectification are solved within the platform. And this multi-agent system with the scalable AWS architecture ensures that all their problems and solutions are there in one platform. You give us any source and we'll just integrate with our service to make sure the flow of developer ecosystem is much fuller. And yeah, thanks. I think that's it. And yeah, special mentions to my teammate Kishore Balaji. Unfortunately, he's not able to join today. Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And we'd love to have you in the virtual room. Please go ahead to share more of your story. And this is very important because we know how difficult MSPs and IT teams find it to work when you have siloed information, siloed workflows across. So this agent specifically unifies everything under one platform. So fantastic. And now Let's move on to the final category, which is the winning team for this theme. The award for excellence, our most prestigious accolade given to the team whose outstanding innovation and flawless execution have raised the bar for operational excellence. The winner for this theme is Team Enigma Trio. Congratulations, Enigma Trio. Inviting you on stage. While Enigma Trio joins us, I'd like to tell you that they have created a self-learning platform that automates ticket triage, predicts urgency, recommends accurate solutions from a semantic knowledge base, and tracks real-time analytics. Congratulations to Enigma Trio. Hi, guys. Congratulations.
Hi.
Hello. We'd love to hear more about your story.
Thank you so much. And we are totally glad to share this opportunity. So what we built is an AI-powered ticket analyzer and an auto suggester, which was built to help MSPs and IT teams handle support tickets faster for that matter. And we created an AI calling based agent. So the moment you can call a phone number, you can get your ticket sorted, and via the call itself, it goes. So it eliminates the manual process of, waiting. There are constantly issues that are come into the picture. It reads each ticket faster, categorizes it, and it decides how urgent it is, estimates how long it might take to fix it, and even suggests, the most likely solution that could be there. We also wanted this to come out as an open source and affordable alternative to expensive tools like ServiceNow, so smaller teams can access powerful features without heavy costs. The goal was finally to give IT teams something that's smart, customizable, and something that's actually within their reach. A huge thanks to everyone, the judges, the SuperOps team for their support and this amazing environment. And thank you so much. That's all from us.
Thank you, guys. We'll meet you. Your story sounds fantastic. We'll meet you in the virtual room if you could share more details with our team. Thank you.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So we are here at almost the end of this award ceremony. We are covering the last theme for this grand finale, which is the service efficiency for MSPs. Now, while Theme 1 focused on systems and Theme 2 on freedom of ideas, Theme 3 spotlights the people, the technicians behind the screens, employees raising requests, and clients relying on flawless IT experience. But of course, every MSP, every IT, you do have daily challenges in your workflows, in your deliveries, like any other. So some of the challenges may be technicians losing time searching for documentation, service requests getting stuck in slow processes, tracking slipping through the cracks resulting in lost revenue, or SLA violations risking reputation and trust. So this theme transforms those challenges, reimagining IT service delivery to make every interaction smoother, every process more seamless, and every experience more human-centered. Let's recognize the teams setting new standards in IT service excellence. Inviting my colleague Sriram to present the awards in this theme.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that. I'll take it from here. So yes, like Lakshmi mentioned, we're down to the last set of awards for today. And before we get into the awards, I just have a quick announcement to make. We are running survey on the right side next to the chat. So we would really love to know about your experience in this super hack. So if you haven't already done the survey, we would suggest you to go there and complete the survey. It will be really helpful for us to gauge how we did and do things better the next time. So thank you so much again for being a part of SuperHack. And yes, we're down to the last set of awards for today. And the first award in this particular category, which is the Special Jury Mention Award, goes to Neural Nexus. Do we have the Neural Nexus team? We would love to hear from you. So their solution uses AI-powered orchestrators and ticket agents to proactively predict SLA breaches, prioritize tickets, and trigger escalations. Because one of the key things for IT teams is to ensure that they are on track with all the SLAs. So it's a really big problem that you're solving for them. So if that's going to be automated, it's going to save a lot of time for technicians in every IT team. So let's wait for the Neural Nexus team to join us. Do we have the Neural Nexus team? If you're here, just please raise your hands. Yeah, I think here we have them joining us. Congratulations once again. It's a really great problem that you're picked to solve for. So the stage is all yours. Go for it. talk to us about how you managed to solve this pain. How do you pick this up? And how has your experience been with the whole SuperHack hackathon that we did?
Yeah, hello all. We are the team Neural Nexus, consisting of Bhavesh, Akash, and myself. We have submitted a master solution, which is a multi-agent enterprise service transformation and resolution orchestrator. So Maestro is a solution where we have thought on a broader scale to abstract the operations, heavy lifting such as orchestrating the tickets and raising right workflows. So Maestro is a minimal control and heavy intelligence which is incorporated to take decision autonomously. So we have incorporated a swarm of agents based on the Strands framework. And we would like to thank team for arranging the knowledge sessions and thank to all the mentors for helping us throughout the journey.
Thank you so much, Team Neural Nexus. And it's a great point that you had mentioned. So kudos for you to coming up with an incredible problem that you had solved for. And hats off to the jury and all the sessions that we did as a part of Super Hackathon this time, because this is a new space and a new environment for you to learn and build agents. I'm really glad that all the sessions that we did as a part of the initiative really proved helpful to you. So congratulations once again for winning this. You can head to the testimony room to talk a bit more about your process and how you went about building this. So thank you so much once again for being part of SuperHack.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yes, we can move on to the next hour. Like I said, like every team has had great agents come up, and this is one of the ideas or agents that came up really close to winning the top 2 prizes, but didn't make it to the cut by a few points. These are agents handpicked by our expert jury for their unconventional idea or the technical feat that sparks inspiration. And the winner for this category is Agent Service. Congratulations, Agent Service, on winning this award. So we would love to hear from you about how do you go about building this agent, why you picked this particular pain point as such. So Team Agent Service, do we have you? So you can just raise your hands and we can put you on so that you can share your thoughts with us. Yes, here we go.
Hello, team.
Hello, yes, you can go on.
Yes, thanks to everyone from the SuperOps and the AWS team. I'm really excited about getting this featured here. And thank you for everything. In the KT session was really, really helpful actually. And then what about excited? I don't know. I don't have words. So thanks to everyone. That's
amazing. So I understand that you in the excitement here. So I think we have the rest of your team join us as well. So
yes.
Anybody would else like to share a few words, that would be great as well.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, thank you, SuperOps teams, AWS, for organizing the wonderful hackathon. So we wanted to build an AI voice agent that helps L1 support teams to improve their efficiency. So we created this voice agent that is a multi-agent service which runs through this knowledge base or the previous history of tickets and solve the L1 tickets which is getting raised repeatedly, right? So that's our idea, and we wanted to create this as a framework to integrate with multiple channels like as a phone call or even a WhatsApp or even a Google Meet or Teams Meet. So that's our long-term vision. So thank you.
Amazing. That's a really great idea that you've come up with and the pain point that you've picked to solve for as well. So thank you so much for your efforts again. And I'm not going to hold you any longer. So you can head to the testimony room so that you can continue talking about your whole process about building this incredible agent that you're given this in the SuperHack. So thank you so much for that. And yes, we can move on to the next set of awards. So yes, we are almost at the end of today's awards section. And right now we have the runner-up of the last category in this particular theme. So runner-up team who come remarkably close to winning the top prize, but couldn't make it to the winner state. So, but we're really glad that you took up this particular pain point and problem to solve for, and it is incredibly helpful for all the IT teams. So the award, the runner-up for this particular category goes to Team Dash. So their solution predicts risks before they escalate, quantifies every action in rupee terms, routes work intelligently, track time automatically, and also continuously renews knowledge base. This is one of the biggest pain that IT teams have today, and they've done a remarkable job of picking this pain point and solving this for IT teams. Team Dash on winning this category. So let's have Team Dash. If you're here, just raise your hands and we can put you on. We would love to hear from you on your thought process.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Hello. Yes, you are audible.
Good morning. So yeah, it was a pretty great experience. The journey was really amazing, and this hackathon mode, we had so much of learning. Like it was an exponential learning. So there was a lot of pit stops as well. Like we failed fast, but the best part was we bounced back faster. And I'm pretty sure that Shamita is also as excited as I am. So over to you, Shamita.
Hi everybody, I'm Shamita and I echo everything that Ritik said. It has been a really great experience. As far as our solution is concerned, we got to experiment with a really new set of technologies and we had some really cool features. We built a holistic dashboard which was completely agentic. We had inbuilt Kanban board, we had SLA guardians, we had one command center where you can give commands in human language and have the whole system go on autopilot and take care of the ticket routing and everything. We had skill assessment, skill routers, ticket routers, and a lot more. But yes, the whole experience was really amazing, and kudos to SuperOps, AWS, Hack2Scale for doing this great hackathon. And thank you.
Thank you so much. So we really loved whatever you spoke right now, because it gives us a sneak peek into all your processes that you went through in terms of building this agent for us. So thank you so much for being a part of SuperHack, and you can now head to the testimony room to talk about your experiences further. And yes, we have the final award for the day. This is the award for excellence. This is the highest honor that we have in each category. And the award for excellence for Team 3 is going to the winner. The team here is Team Espresso Ops. That's a really interesting name. So I had a bit of fumble understanding the team name. So yes, we have the winner for Team 3. The winner for Team 3 is Espresso Ops. So we can have the Team Espresso. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi, amazing.
Hey, hello. So first of all, thanks a lot to the SuperOps team for organizing this amazing hackathon. It was really a great learning experience entirely. So the project that we created is called Fixella, which is an AI ticket intelligence platform that speeds resolutions, cuts escalations, and provides guided assistance to L1 technicians. Over to you, Sneha, to explain about our project.
Yeah, so we took the tickets metadata from SuperOps and created our Fixella AI agent along with the knowledge graph. We combined both of them to get the similar tickets, and our Fixella AI agent was the master agent, and we had 4 sub agents after that. So we deployed it on AWS SageMaker as well as the ML model on SageMaker and the agent on Agent Core. So thank you to AWS and SuperOps for this.
Amazing. Thank you so much, team. So congrats on the top honor that you won today. So I hope you're feeling really great about winning this particular award tonight. So thank you so much again for being a part of SuperHack and like talking us through the whole process of building this agent that you had mentioned right now. Like I understand this is a completely new space for you. In a short span of time, you building this is really great. So that's it for tonight. We've introduced all the winners. We've talked about all the agents that were built as a part of SuperHack. So congratulations to all the winners. But not just that, congratulations to everybody who's part of SuperHack. You really made a difference in terms of creating these agents for the MSP and IT space. So thank you so much once again from me and Lakshmi to give the final closing remarks and community announcements. I'm going to put on my colleague Pavitra. And before I go, I just want to remind you about the polls that are there next to the chat window. So just take a look at the polls. If you haven't answered it, you can go for it. So yes, I have my colleague Pavitra who's joined us. Over to you, Pavi.
Thank you so much, Sriram, and thanks Lakshmi as well for hosting this wonderful event. Hearty congratulations to all the winners and participants. I'm Pavitra, Head of Product Marketing at SuperOps. As we bring this event to a close, I just want to take a moment to appreciate what today represents, right? When we started this journey, it was a simple idea, but a very bold idea. We wanted to unlock what agentic AI could do in the real world for MSPs and IT teams. AI has been a buzzword for many years now, and it has always seemed like a distant promise, but this effort was towards making it more tangible, testable, and actually usable. And over the past few weeks, we've watched industry leaders, developers, a lot of the problem solvers here today come together to turn our belief into reality. So take a bow, participants and winners. You didn't just participate in a hackathon, but you helped shape an entirely new operating model for IT. This is one where AI doesn't just automate tasks, but understands context, takes initiative, and collaborates with humans to deliver outcomes. Reaching this point took the effort of so many people, but some really important thanks to be given. A heartfelt thank you to AWS for powering this wave of innovation along with us and helping create the infrastructure to imagine freely. And of course, to Team SuperOps for championing this new era of agentic AI, pushing the boundaries of what smarter IT operations can look like. As we continue building this ecosystem and continue charting new areas in AI, I want to highlight something special that's coming up next, SuperOps MSP Awards 2025. This is our annual celebration of the most innovative, impactful MSPs across the globe. There are 8 categories, exciting prizes, and a chance for your work to be recognized on a global stage. Nominations are open now, and we'd love to see the same spirit of creativity and leadership that this room here reflected as well. To all our hackathon finalists, participants, and winners, congratulations once again. Your work, energy, and imagination are what make events like this meaningful. And of course, thanks to all the mentors, all the leaders, everybody who came together to make this possible. Thanks for being part of this journey. And wishing you all more inspired ideas, new connections, and continued success. With that, I announce today's event closed. The spotlight room for your testimonials will remain open for some more time. So please go ahead, share your journey with us, and we hope to see you again in an exciting other event. More AI, more real world full day.